get a video of me and Paul going down the road doing wheelies.
We can do that stuff later.
Oh yeah, when we're coming home. Don't. Actually. Then I was just saying, I don't know. I don't want too much milk. Looks like one way and one way out.
Are you girls ready to go?
That's why I don't like going here, but.
Doing what?
Fuck out of here.
I know, it's retarded. Probably getting myself mad poison ivy right now. Going through my glove. Shit's retarded, man. Shit's real grown in. Those prickers suck, dude. I got them in my glove. Yeah, I mean, I put them around and they stuck into my finger. Oh shit, you got a pet. Let's go to the pits, because these trails fucking suck. They're all grown in. What up?
That leads to a different pit.
Let's go to the one we know for now.
Open, this one's a track.
Let's go to the track one, that's kind of cooler. Go ahead, man. Oh shit, one of these things are gonna decapitate us one of these days. You got water in your goggles too? Woo. Oh, down here. Has he been here before?
Can I use your gloves?
Why?
My grips, they're like rubber. Feel this.
Oh, I can imagine. Oh, I can imagine here. Is it hard? Is it rough? Does it suck because it's too wet?
No.
Oh, I thought he was shaking his head no. Yo, I probably gave myself such bad poison ivy doing that trail. Yo, fuck those trees. Oh man, I just got blasted. I hopped over that pretty good. As soon as I landed, it was like a punch to the face. Oh. Yo, fuck these trees, man.
I just got smacked in the face.
Dude, me
so
too.
hard.
You got smacked and it came back and hit me in the face.
Dude, I jumped and hit it. I'm not a thing on my body isn't soaked right now.
Yo, fuck you taking my gloves on now. That shit's slippery.
Yours is slippery, mine's like fucking
Yeah, I can imagine because you're missing your grip.
Dude. Almost lost it. Paul saw me almost fucking eat shit into a tree. My brake wouldn't go.
I almost
there
fucking
too
smoked
wet.
a tree. Dude, I fucking turned, I'm fucking going like this, and next thing you know, you're fucking like this.
Yeah, because I didn't fucking know where turning.
Dude, and the water keeps getting on my goggles and then I can't really see where I'm going.
I can't wear goggles. If you wear goggles, they get blurry, and then I
Yeah.
shit.
They're blurry right now. They've been.
Dude, look at me. I won't even put mine on.
I can't even see anything.
I'm not.
I
I
know.
don't wear goggles, and right now is not even a time where I would even think of it.
You probably wish you had it because that fucking tree's gonna hit you in the face one of these times. I think I just got.
I got smoked so many times in here. Prickers in my face, so I said fuck it, and I stopped in front of Justin and fucking moved the pricker out of my way.
I'm gonna start launching over these little bumps over here. My hands are so slippery though. That's pretty sweet. Damn GoPro. It's falling down. What do you say? We gotta do something other than just riding in circles though.
You're watching me fucking rip.
You suck balls at ripping, bro.
You suck dick at ripping. I think you're leaking noise water.
Probably water.
And then we come out of there, we just go straight and then we hit that. Get that on video behind it.
Yeah, if my GoPro stays up. Alright. Hang on. Where you going? That's the 110 over here. got OCD, nerd.
Huh?
You got OCD,
Fucking so.
bitch.
I believe I'm going slow as fuck on this road because I'm really getting smoked.
On this trail or the ones with the sticks?
Ones with the sticks.
Yeah, they fucking suck because we're taller. He's over here smoking through it. And I'm like, dude, oh shit, dude, oh
Me
shit.
too, I'm still getting body shots.
Yeah, but you're like down here. We're getting chest face.
We're getting fucking thick ones. Fuck.
You're getting like the leaves just brushing your hair while we're getting smacked in the face.
Yeah, especially you.
I've gotten smacked in the face so many times.
I'm sure you
I
have.
literally
But
took down a whole entire like aeration of bush in front of Paul.
listen, we're jealous that you're
I-
better than us. Just accept our bullshit.
No, I was fucking going and I couldn't press my brake like with these boots, and I just went fucking right into the bush and I turned out of it and just kept going like nothing happened.
Oh my god. Here, hold my bike real quick.
That should be some good footage though.
Yeah, hold my bike. I'm gonna check if we're still recording. Imagine if we're not.
I was ripping dick.
You're always ripping dick. Then get off your bike. Oh wait, you don't have a kickstand either. Ugh. Yo, this backpack was so annoying though. I just don't have any pockets for my phone. And
Were you keeping up?
the camera's automatically recording. The phone might not be connected, but the camera should still be recording.
Was I going fast?
Connected. Control. It's been recording for 33 minutes.
Faster, but it wasn't. Huh?
We good. It's been recording.
I
Alright.
feel like I was going so slow right there.
You what?
I feel like I was going really slow right there.
I was starting to pick up. I feel like we were both starting to pick up a lot. It's just that, like I said, this
Hey,
thing was throwing my
did you
balance
realize-
off. It's hanging off
Did you
my
realize why this corner
chest
is the best?
protectors. What?
Did you realize why this corner is the best?
Cause of what? I don't know.
You
What?
can have it. You can go pin the entire way.
Oh yeah, I was using second pretty
And
much.
if you hit your brake right there, you slide into that. You see your mark, and then
Yeah.
yeah.
Here, now that I took my shit off, let's rip it.
Huh?
Now that I took that backpack off. Again, I was just probably making excuses because I suck balls, but I can try. There's so much water in my goggles, man. I have like a tiny little vision.
Oh, you go in the back?
Yeah, just do what we did before.